Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and build update number 1 of our Revell 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is the kit my brother TJ got me for Christmas, and I couldn't wait to get into it. I was going to wait for our Chevy build, but I couldn't wait that long. You can see we're in paint, base paint. This is what my car color is going to be. It's not primer. I'm going with, it's going to be semi-gloss though, but I'm going to go with semi-gloss here, and believe it or not, everything else, all the chrome that's on this cut is in the purple power, getting stripped as we speak. I just chucked it all in there because look at my hand is from painting, but I chucked it all in the purple power because what I want to do with this is all the chrome is going to just be gloss black instead of chrome. I've never done anything like this. I'm really excited. It's going to be very cool. We are going to like this kit too, by the way. But this went down super nice. I got a quick shot here of me painting it. This is using the new TG from Gaahleri. And check this thing out. I really like this airbrush. It's brand new on the market. It came with their Majestic Snake collection for 2025, and I believe the end of this week it's going to be on sale for everybody. But I just had to go and try it out, and I wanted to get this to you real quick, just so you could see how nice this thing sprays. It's a step up for sure. But with that, let's get back to this build. Like I said, all the chrome is going to be gloss black. We're going to go with something else I never did, and that's low profiles. So I stripped these the other day because I was planning on doing these a different color than black. But now we're going black because I saw a picture of something that was kind of like this, but not quite. I even got in there to do the headliner with the gray. The interior is going to be gray and red. It is about ready to go in paint, but I had to see what that body looked like before I went to paint. With the lowrider rims, we got the lowered suspension, so it is going to be dropped. And the big reason why I brought you here, and this is going to be a real quick video, all the crew and everything left for the day. And I just wanted to get this out just to show you. First off, the engine. This is going to get painted aluminum in the back, gloss black for everything else, aluminum heads, aluminum intake, just like I did for the other one. But I'm going to go black with this just to really offset. I might even go black in the engine bay. I'm not sure yet. It might go a different route than black. So if it does, I think this thing's going to be jamming, but it's going to take a lot of paint to do it. The interior, like I said, is going to go gray. I'm not sure if I'm going to go this dark gray or if I'm going to lighten it up. And let me reach over here and go with just a little bit lighter. Hard to tell, but it is like 2 shades lighter. This is Tamiya's dark gray, where this is German gray. And it is different. If you look at the caps, you can see better, I guess. But it is a little bit lighter shade, so that's what I'm shooting for. I made sure I got 3 very good coats on here, and look at how smooth that laid out. It's just, I'm really pumped up with that. But I'm going to bring it down here a little bit instead of keep bringing this up. The seats, and this is going to be hard to see. I'm going to keep tilting them back and forth. Has the panels right in here on both sides. And then down below here is a panel line there. There, you can kind of see it in the shade of the phone. And then also, it's across the bottom here to about this point right here. And then this is just the regular material. And what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about painting everything the gray first. And then coming back and masking all these off and going red. I think that'll really, really, really bounce the inside of this to where it really shines. I'm going to go with the black carpet, just so I'm really not going overboard here. And I chucked it in the box, I'm sorry, but my dashboard might go red. I'm not sure if I'll go red or if I'll go with the dark gray, the body color gray on it or not. I'm still in debate there. I'll probably change my mind 7 ways to Sunday on that. But at least now I'm committed to the gray. The door panels, there we go. You can see we got 3 distinctive breaks in here. And what I think I'm going to do is I think I am going to use bare metal foil on this section, chrome, just to bring out some life. Even though everything outside is going to be gloss black on the chrome, I still want to give it a little bit of shine on the inside. And then same with the window cranks and the door latch and everything like that. I think I will do this piece in chrome across here and then come in with the gray in the bottom and then the gray on the top. And then this will all be red. Maybe these will be gray too, just to really throw the bling out. But I'm telling you, I've been pre-fitting this kit, just seeing how everything's going. And I mean, this thing fits up nice. It didn't take me maybe 2 hours max to prep all the parts. Not the chrome. The chrome's still in the LA, so I'm going to have to re-prep all that. But all the plastic parts, the white parts. Here's my dashboard. Bing. Good detail in this dash, and I may do a two-tone where this inside here is either silver or gray, but I'm thinking maybe red on the top, just to pop a little bit of color coming through that body. I think that might look pretty cool. And then the other thing, and I wasn't going to tell everybody, but like I said, all this trim, how about if I back you out here? Like I said, all the body trim is going to be black, but I'm thinking right in here where that's that aluminum panel in there, I'm thinking of painting that gloss red and then black for the script. So let me know what you think in the comments about that. But I'm pretty sure I want that hit of red where everything else is black. I mean, I'm going to have to mask off all the windows and everything, but I think it's going to really pay off in the long run. But now I want to show you what's been taking me all this time and why I haven't had an update is my chassis. If you look, you can see the blue in here. That's my battery box. And this is a separate piece on here, and I was excited when I saw that, and I was hoping that I'd be able to tuck that inside. So what I did is I just cut a hole right here so that the wires will come through where I'll have enough wire to pull this out just far enough to get the battery out of here and turn it on and off. And then I'll set this in, and I'm going to have to go off center, and I've fooled around with this for a little bit, but you see I got a magnet here and a magnet here. That'll go with the small magnet here and this stack of magnets here. And the reason why the stack is there is because this has to drop down, and I just didn't want to fool with spacers. It all lined up. And then I have a center one in there that I was thinking about using to help lift this out, but with the bigger magnets on here to make it connect, I don't think that's going to work out for me. But here, let me show you. I'm going to get my fingers out of the way. How I plan on doing this. I'm going to get that kicked up here. These two poles for the plus and minus are going to be the ones that go down through this far side. And then the magnets will just come in, drop there, it's in, and it's not going anywhere. So sitting on the stand, it won't go anywhere, the lights will all be on, and the battery's tucked in where nobody will ever be the wiser, and I didn't have to cut out. I almost grabbed that, and this is still like fresh out of the paint. But I won't have to cut that trunk open like I did on the Merc. So that's pretty cool. I did run my pipes down through here and put my springs on to make sure this will fit on through, and I had to do a little bit of sanding over here. But with this being painted flat black with the semi-gloss black frame like I always do, maybe this might go flat black with a red frame, but I'm just not sure how much masking off I want to do on this build. So it might just be flat black with semi-gloss. But once that's in, that'll tuck up in there. It'll come right out. I was able to get it out with the exhaust in there. Just taped on and wasn't messing anything up. So pretty cool. As long as you get the back in first, the front drops in, and like I said, it holds on there more than this thing better ever get jostled around. And what I did for that one magnet to make it flush is I drilled the hole all the way through, and that magnet was the same thickness as the plastic there. So it's just a little bit proud, but I am good with that fit. I mean, this is, you can't ask for any more than that. And it with these, it works out perfect. I updated my link list, so all the stuff that I use will be in the description down below, including all my guys and everything like that. The kit, my spark plug wires, everything. But there is that. And I mentioned the engine before. I am going to do a complete build and detail video on this engine. So keep an eye out for that. It'll show up probably before the build is done, but it'll be in there quite a ways because we got to detail up some things as we go. But there is that. Again, the hood and the body I am jammed for. I am so psyched up right now to get this to where it is because I had a heck of a time picking colors. You can ask a couple of guys in the group how many times I switched my ideas. But anyhow, like I said, this is a quickie for tonight. I will let you go, but I just wanted to tell you what we're doing and our plans. And I was really excited. If anybody's building this thing, I wanted them to think about that battery setup and let you know that the list down below in the thing is updated. And if you think about it, give me a subscribe, give me a comment, let me know what you think. If there's anything you think I should be doing different, I love to hear it. And with that, I will let you go. So thank you very much for watching. Let's not forget about our veterans and our first responders. We got to thank Gaahleri, because without Gaahleri, I wouldn't be painting this thing without a brush. And I also want to shout out to Jason, Mike, and Bruce on Automotive Model Car Livecast. They're Thursday night, 8 p.m. Really worth watching. They're a lot of fun. And with that, I'm going to let you go. So y'all have a great night and a better tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching.